Welcome to the complete Etihad Rail passenger guide, the game-changing high-speed train launching in 2026. It connects 11 stations across all 7 Emirates, Abu Dhabi to Dubai in just 57 minutes. Book easily via the Etihad Rail app or website. Select your class and reserve your seat in seconds. Arrive at your station, clean, modern, and super easy to navigate. Fast check-in, security, and you're on the platform ready to board. Here comes the train. Designed by CAF, carries up to 400 passengers, top speed 200 kilometers per hour. Step inside, clean, modern, and incredibly comfortable. Economy class, perfect for daily commuters. Family class for groups, or upgrade to first class for ultimate comfort. Every seat has power outlets and free high-speed Wi-Fi. The journey begins, reaches 200 km/h smoothly, Abu Dhabi to Dubai in only 57 minutes, no traffic. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi, charge your devices, enjoy the views, or relax with entertainment. Arrive refreshed and on time. Etihad Rail, the future of travel in the UAE is here. Book your ticket today.
Hi everyone, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel Dubai Nature Vlog UAE Lifestyle. It helps me make more videos about UAE's amazing nature and lifestyle. Thanks, and don't forget to like.